Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome again to Lessons in Arabic Language, Book 1 by Sheikh Dr. V. Abdul Rahim, formerly of Islamic University of Medina, a very useful book in Arabic, the first volume, Book 1. Today we're looking at الدرس التاسع, درس التاسع, Lesson 9. Now, if you look at how we write Arabic, we write 9 in Arabic. It's the same as the way we write 9 in English. 9. This is how we write 9 in Arabic. So, writing Arabic 9, the number 9 in Arabic is the same thing as writing English 9. So, here you don't have to worry too much. 9 in English is the same thing as 9 in Arabic, the same way. But we say atase, tis'ah. You can say tis'ah. Atase is ordinal, and tis'ah is cardinal. At Darsu Tase, lesson 8, we have part 1, that is A, part A, Alif. Now, today, let's look at the objectives here. What are we going to do? We're going to review. We're going to review and learn something new. Review and learn something new. And what is the something new? We're going to learn how to use adjectives in Arabic. Adjectives in Arabic. What are adjectives? Anything that describes, right? That describes another. You use something to describe another thing, we say it's an adjective. So an adjective is a modifier, it's a qualifier. It is used to, you know, express the quality of something. In Arabic, like any other um, languages, has adjectives. But the rules of adjectives in Arabic is the rules are completely different from the rules that are used in English language. So you need to be very careful, and especially the position of the adjective, the position of what adjectives in Arabic, position of adjectives in Arabic, and we're gonna learn this. And then we also have to get to know the gender, the adjectives, gender of adjectives in Arabic. In Arabic, adjectives can be masculine or feminine, depending on what you are describing. So if your adjective is describing masculine now, then the adjective must be masculine. If the adjective is describing a feminine now, then it must be a feminine. This is unlike English. This is unlike English. So we need to know that. We're going to learn about that. And the position of adjectives are completely different. The position of adjective is completely different from the position of adjectives in English. This is very, very important. And in لغة العربية, we have plurality, plurality of adjectives. We're going to look at plural, right? Plurality of adjectives. That is to say, in لغة العربية, adjectives have plurals. They have plurals, unlike English. So if the noun is plural, then the adjective must be plural. So let's say boys, plural. So Arabic will say kinds boys, something like that. Kinds boys. I'm just playing with it. We know English, we don't do this, but we say kind boys. So in Arabic, if your noun boys, okay, is plural, then your adjective kind must be plural. So basically, it's like you're saying kind, kinds, right? Beautiful and beautifuls. Basically, that's what Arabic does with adjectives in terms of plural. The same gender, right? If you're using an adjective to describe a feminine noun, then the adjective must be feminine, and so on and so forth. So let's get started. Let's look at the passage. Man hadha rajul. Who is this man? Remember, man means who. Rajul, man. Who is this man? Huwa Abbas. Huwa. He is. Remember, huwa. He is. Huwa too can be what? It is. Huwa, when you use huwa to describe an inanimate object, then it is. But when it's animate, then it's he is. So Ar-Rajul, a man, is huwa. Huwa Abbas. He is Abbas. Abbasu tajirun. Abbasu tajirun. Abbas is a tajir. So you see that this is an adjective, right? Abbasun tajirun. Abbas is a merchant. Abbasun tajirun ganiyun. Abbasu tajirun ganiyun. Abbas is a rich merchant. Ganiyun. Ganiyun too is another adjective. So adjective one, adjective two, they all follow the same concept. Abbasu tajirun ganiyun. When we say something is ganiyun, means the person is rich. Ganiyun. Ganiyun. Rich. So this is an adjective of quality or status. Let's look at the next one. Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid is teacher. Hamid is a teacher. Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. Hamid is a new teacher. Jadid. Jadidun. New. Now look at the position of adjectives. Jadidun, ganiyun. Very, very important. Ganiyun, jadidun. It's not the same thing as English. Now, if I write in English, I'll say a rich merchant. A rich merchant. Now, look at where the rich is. This is a noun, and this is the adjective, and this is the particle or the article. Arabic, I'm going to say tajirun, ganiyun. So this is the rich, and this is the merchant. So you can see that the position of adjective is always at the end or it comes after the noun. But in English, the adjective comes before the noun. So you have to say the adjective first before to say the noun that it is describing. But in Arabic, you have to say the noun first before you say the adjective that it is describing the noun. So when you say ganiyun tajirun in Arabic, that's grammatical boo. Ganiyun tajirun. If you say ganiyun tajirun in Arabic, it's like you are speaking English, rich merchant. This is incorrect. So the position of the adjective in Arabic is always after the noun. So technically, we can say in Arabic, the structure is noun plus adjective. And then in English, it is what? Adjective plus noun. So you see the arrangement. This is Arabic arrangement, and this is English arrangement. So take note of that. It's very, very important. Don't say ganiyun tajirun, but say tajirun ganiyun. ما هذا? What is this? Remember ma. Don't confuse ma with man. Ma what? Man who? ما هذا? What is this? هذا تفاح. This is an apple. تفاح. An apple. We've discussed it already. التفاح, the apple is فاكهة. 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 Fruit. Some people say fakihatun is vegetable, so it veggie. But here is fruit. Fakihatun ledhidatun. Now look at sorry, tufahun. Tufah, apple. Fakiha, fruit. Now, fakihatun is considered what? Feminine. So the adjective must match. So there must be an accord. There must be an accord. So the adjective and the noun must be in agreement. فاكهة لذيذة. فاكهة لذيذة. Fun. Feminine. Feminine. So if the noun is feminine, the adjective must be feminine. If the noun is masculine, the adjective must be masculine. That is the rule in لغة العربية, in Arabic language. ما ذلك? What is that? ما ذلك? What is that? Remember هذا and ذلك. ذلك عصفور. That is a sparrow. ذلك عصفور. That is a sparrow. Sparrow is very little brown bird. They can be dark brown or light brown. Dark brown, light brown bird. They are common. They are global. They are everywhere. I've seen some in America here. Sparrow, عصفور. That is a sparrow. ذلك عصفور. العصفور, the sparrow, is طائر. 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 طائر, a bird. A bird is طائر. طائر, bird. العصفور طائر. طائر. طائر is a bird. عصفور طائر. طائر is a bird. So طائر. صغير, small. So that's why I said a sparrow is a small or very little, small and little bird. It can be sometimes, especially those in America here, they are dark brown. And you see them in Africa, they are light brown. Maybe the weather, you know, the bird, fa'ir. In Arabic, fa'ir is a bird. صغير, when we say something is صغير, small or little. صغير, small. It's a small bird. Now you can see that طائر is masculine. So therefore, صغير as an adjective is what? Masculine. Very, very important. العصفور طائر صغير. العصفور طائر صغير. The sparrow is a small bird. So you see طائر صغير. Bird small. Bird small. But it's not how we speak English, right? So you have to say small bird. It's like you're going backwards. Small bird. But in Arabic, we say عصفور, bird, small. طائر صغير. So every language has its grammatical structure, so we have to obey it. Now let's look at the next sentence. Al-Arabiyyatu lughatun. Lugha. Lughatun. Lugha. When we say something is lughatun, is language. لغة, language. Now, because of the ta, it's an indication that it's what? Feminine. تاء مربوطة. لغة, language. But the word language in English is considered as gender neutral. It doesn't have gender. So sahla, the word sahla is from the word sahlun. When something is sahlun, it's easy to do or easy to learn. Sahlun, easy. Something that is easy to do or easy to learn is sahlun. Now, here it's being used as an adjective to describe the language. But because the language is what? Is feminine, then we have to say sahlatun. Lugatun, sahlatun. Fa'irun, sagirun. Fakihatun, lezizatun. And on and on and on. So the rule is that if the noun is feminine, adjective is feminine. If the noun is masculine, then the adjective is masculine. العربية لغة جميلة. جميل. So we are looking at abstract adjectives now. جميل, beautiful. If something is جميل, it's beautiful. Or so here you're using it to describe, or it can be handsome, right? So you can say waladun, waladun jamilun, jamilun, a handsome boy. Waladun jamilun, a handsome boy. Now, if you say bintun, a girl, then you have to say jamilatun, jamilatun. Bintun jamilatun. Why? Because this is masculine. Sorry, this is feminine. So I have to say jamilatun. So my adjective must match the noun. But when I say waladun, now it's what? Masculine. So I have to say jamilun. So my adjective must be masculine. Here my adjective must be feminine. Here my noun is feminine. So therefore my adjective is feminine. Bintun jamilatun. Waladun jamilun. So we say lugatun jamilatun. We don't say lugatun jamilun. Ammaru talibun mujtahidun. Ammaru talibun mujtahidun. Mujtahidun. So Ammar is a boy. So talibun is a student. It is a noun that indicates masculinity. So talibun, a student. Student. Mujtahidun, hard working, or somebody who's industrious. He works hard. Mujtahidun, hard working student. Now, if you are not hard working, you are lazy. So in Arabic, if you are lazy, we call you kaslanu. Now, kaslanu is a word that is we call it morphological prohibition. Morphology, morphological prohibitive, right? It doesn't morph. Prohibitive. ممنوع من الصرف. Okay, so we say talibun kaslanu. So anything that is any noun that is morphologically prohibitive, or it's not, it doesn't morph in Arabic, it ends in this one dhamma. You can end it into kasra. But later on we're gonna learn more about it. So kaslan, when you are kaslan, means you are lazy. Kaslanun, kaslanu, kaslanu, lazy. So you can say ana kaslanu, ana kaslanu. I am lazy. And then you can say anta kaslanu. You are lazy. Huwa kaslanu. Huwa kaslanu. He is lazy. Ana kaslanu. Anta kaslanu. Huwa kaslanu. Right? So this is also masculine. Kaslan is masculine, singular. Ammar mujtahidun. Ammar talibun mujtahidun. Ammar is a hard-working student. ومحمود طالب كسلان. من أنت? Who are you? من أنت? من أنت? Who are you? But we say من أنت. من أنت? أنا طالب. أنا طالب. من أنت can also mean what's your name? Sometimes they use it. Man ant. Man ant. Who are you? Ana. Ana. You can say Ana Mahmoud. I am Mahmoud. Or you can say Ana Ustaz. Or you can say Ana Talibun. So the word Ana in Arabic means I am. Ana. Let's learn how to use it. Ana. Ana Talibun. Ana Muslim. Ana Muslim. I am a Muslim. Ana Muslim mean I am a Muslim from Almania. Almania. أنا مسلم من اليابان. So أنا طالب. أنت طالب. أنت. Remember we said this and is for interrogative. Are. And then أنت, you. أنت, you. But this you is singular. And then masculine. Very, very important. Anta is used for a single male, you. Anta. Anta talibun jadidun. Are you a new student? Where is the a? Is the first a. So here you can see that a anta. Very, very important. A anta. This first a is R. And then the second one is just part of the anta, which is you. Are we getting it? Alhamdulillah. A anta. So you can say ahua. Ahua. Ahua means is he. A anta. A anta. Are you? Ahua. Anta. أأنت طالب جديد? Are you a new student? That's the question. If somebody asks you a question, you can say لا or أو you can say نعم. You can say نعم. Yes or no. So let's see. أأنت طالب? Are you a student? نعم. Yes. أنا طالب جديد. I am a new student. I am a new student. أنا طالب جديد. So don't confuse أنا today. I am with أنت. you or you are. So just as we say I am in Arabic, anta means you are. Remember, anta is for masculine singular. Very, very important. اقرأ واكتب, read and write. اقرأ واكتب, read and write. So we're gonna look at that later on, inshallah. This is a very useful passage. Let's look at some of the important stuff that we get from here. We have the word ganiyun, ganiyun, rich, and then we have jadidun, new, and then we have lezizun. When something is leziz, we say it's delicious. It's delicious. And when you add lezizaton, it means it has become a feminine. So just say lezizon. And then if you are using it to describe a feminine object, then you say lezizaton. It's the same with jadidon. You can say jadidaton and on and on. So these are the two. And then we also learn about osforon, osforon, a sparrow here, osforon, a very useful Arabic word. And then we have صغير, small, sahlun. We also learn about sahlun, sahlun. When something is sahlun, means it's easy to do, say, or etc. Anything that is easy to do, say, eat is sahlun, or easy to learn, sahlun, like Arabia. But I don't think Arabia is sahlun. It's hard. And we have mujtahidun. So if you are not mujtahidun, you are kaslan, right? Muj mujtahidun. 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 Hard working. Hard working. If you are not mujtahidun, you are what? Kaslanun. Kaslanun. You are kaslan. Kaslanu. You are lazy. Lazy. Ana, you can say, Ana mujtahidun. Ana mujtahidun. Ana mujtahidun. I am hardworking. I am hardworking. Ana mujtahidun. Huwa mujtahidun. Anta mujtahidun. So this lesson, you have to focus on ana, anta, and huwa. Ana, anta, and huwa. Ana, I am, anta, you are, huwa, he is. These are the pronouns you need to master in this lesson. And then we learn about talibun, a student, jadidun, new, jadidun, new. Mujtahidun, very important. And then kaslanun, kaslanun. So basically we have two opposite words here. Lazy and hardworking. I hope you have benefited from this lesson, inshallah. We are going to end here. We're going to continue next time, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dumtum khair.